This is the elevator in the south tower of the Hotel Ithaca in Ithaca, New York. There's a service elevator right there that looks like it's been modded, but we're gonna ride this one instead.
Going up.
Whoa, look at that. Still has the original buttons and the original indicator, but it's got the Gen 2 voice.
Tenth floor.
Yeah, here we are at 10.
Going down.
You can get a view. Yeah, there's your view. And let's call it before it leaves us.
Going down.
It's very interesting. Yeah, let's go one. Let's watch the indicator.
First floor.
Interesting. Alright, let's go for
Going
one more
up.
ride. Also, I should point out the shape of the cab is very interesting. It's like a pentagon. We watched that side. Now let's watch this side.
Tenth floor.
Alright, here we are at 10.
Going down.
There's a low look of the shaft. It's still got a Westinghouse interlock. There's a look down the shaft. And yeah, let's go back down to lobby. Still has the original emergency phone. Yeah, these are Westinghouse fixtures. Yeah, Otis lantern and the Gen 2 voice. And very interesting cab shape, as previously mentioned. Alright,
Going up.
let's go for one more ride, because why not? This is such an interesting elevator. Let's stand in the back of the cab this time. I mean, I suppose this is technically the front, but whatever.
Tenth floor.
Alright, here we are at 10.
Going down.
And also, I'm surprised that we've gone this far without the elevator stopping. But of course, it is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so not many people are here. Interesting. It's got
First
operating
floor.
instructions.
Going up.
There it goes. And that'll be it.